Hello, all. At the end of the webinar, I promised you a calculation tool that would help you determine your palliative program's value. Whenever I'm consulting on palliative, it never fails. Right about after I say this part down here, set a cap on your palliative losses. You can't let your palliative program lose more than 2% of hospice net patient revenue. Now, that's true, but every time I say it, somebody's going to say, but you have to understand that our program contributes a whole lot more to hospice because of the patients that we send there. Sure, that's true. It does. So let's put some numbers on that. Let's just play around with some. Suppose, let's start. Let's look at your hospice average length of stay for non-palliative referred patients. This is people that didn't come through your palliative program. I don't include people that went straight to your IPU. That will skew your numbers. Let's look. I don't know what your average length of stay for those folks are. I'm just throwing in a number. Then let's look at your average length of stay for palliative referred patients. For those patients that came straight from your palliative program, not sure what that would be either. I'm going to just put in a number. Now, if for any reason this number is bigger than this number, you have a problem. Your palliative program is not working for you. You need for that to be significantly different. Now, this cell, I want you to put in your composite rate. I should put composite hospice daily rate. That's what that is. By composite, for 60 days you get one amount, next 60 days you get a different amount. Well, depending on your mix, okay, your composite rate is going to be somewhere between there. If you want to be precise, here's how you do it. Take your net patient revenue for the period and divide it by the number of patient days, and you'll get your composite hospice rate. I don't know what yours is. I'm going to throw in 200. Let's look here at the number of palliative referred patients on hospice service during the period. You can run this for a month. You can run this for a year, whichever you choose. I don't know what that's going to be. Let's say you have, I don't know, 50 palliative patients in your program. Your impact, okay, your impact on gross revenue from these additional patient days is $150,000. Let's adjust that. You have to take care of those patients. You have to pay for their nurses, their other clinicians. You have to pay for the patient relateds. So let's take the hospice direct care percentage contribution margin and put that value right here. The contribution margin goes right there. If you don't know your contribution margin, just put 50%. Dollar losses of your palliative program from your income statement. You should be calculating that. So let's just say for this period, it's going to be, let's say it's a loss of $50,000. Okay, dollar gains. Now you can't have both losses and gains, so we won't put anything in here. So what's the valuation of your palliative program for the period? It's $25,000. Put your numbers in and see what you get. And thank you for your time.